Hey y'all, it's Liza, and I wanted to show you a little project that I had the honor of creating for a good friend who was having a baby. This is a project that you're welcome to do on your own if you love to doodle and create, and especially create handmade gifts. Or it's also a great project to do if you're helping to host a baby shower. That's what happened this past week. I was helping host a baby shower, and one of the hostesses in church said we would love to do a collaborative canvas for Meg. And I said, I don't know about that, because the shower was about 50 or 60 women. But I did come up with a little tiny project that may help you if you are helping host a baby shower. So I hope you enjoy this little lesson. So these are the blocks that we just created for my friend Meg's shower. And I took probably a couple hours to draw on the front of each block a letter, on the very back the big letter and the small letter. And then I took the time to create some little doodles. During the shower, folks would take a block and either color in the doodles that I had already created or create their own little doodles. How funny is this? R for Rolex. Now, some of these women were so hilarious, like L for Louis Vuitton. But depending on the folks that come to your shower, you could have them write a Bible verse on the back, write a love note. That's what I really loved. Find joy, laugh a lot, we love you, the Roberts. This was a special wish from the shower guest, my friend Beth, and then to the baby coming. Now, I will say, I am not a part of the FDA. I don't know if these blocks should really be used by babies until they're done putting things in their mouth. So don't hold me responsible for that. It could be that. I do know that Sharpies are alcohol-based, so if you get water on these, they're not gonna, go everywhere. If you were to use watercolor markers or Crayola markers, it will not work. Sharpies are definitely best. If you're doing this on your own, you probably already have a myriad of Sharpies. I like to doodle with the ultra fine tip black. And then during the shower, we had a plethora of fine tipped and then super fine tip that people could color with and write their notes on. So again, these probably aren't for babies to chew on, but they could definitely be for a shelf in the baby's nursery. So we bought 50 again because there were so many attendees at the shower because Meg is so loved. But if you had not so many attendees at the baby shower, you could definitely buy maybe 20 or 25 blocks. These are the 2-inch blocks that I prefer. We made enough blocks for the entire alphabet and then also to spell the little girl's name. But this could definitely be for little boys too. I love the neon Sharpies that are found online or at your local craft store. And it could be that you could spray these or put Mod Podge on them. It would just take a couple hours. I will say, if one of you is in charge of this project for a shower, you're going to want to know that after the shower, you should not give the blocks immediately to the mom-to-be. Instead, you should take them home and finish up. Because y'all know what happens at a baby shower. Women start talking and chatting. But I will say this project was a hit at the shower. So if you guys do this, let me know. But I thought it was fun and happy, and the women really enjoyed it. So go create and have fun and spread some love to a mama-to-be. All right, bye guys. I forgot to mention on the link below, you will find affiliate links to the supplies I used. And also, you're welcome to check out my blog for other free resources and online workshops. All right, happy creating.